Hi, my name is Mugdha and I'm from Mumbai. These 5 days, actually, I had never expected that these 5 days will come true. It was like seriously a dream. And I came here for resolving some of my own problems. But when I'm going from here, I'm feeling so empowered that I feel that more than my problems, I can really help and aid others solving their problems. And it is really going to give me a lot of happiness. And Venu and Neha, they have been gem of people. Actually, they are so magnetic, you don't feel like going away from here. Seriously, I don't feel like leaving from here. This has become a pattern, as if 5 days it should go on and on and on. I don't feel like leaving. But then every good thing comes to an end. But I hopefully this will go on and on. From wherever we are, we will continue to be associated always. And we are a family. So it is really good to come back to the family always. So looking forward to more associations in future. Thank you so much.